ginagawa mo daw?
Naglilinis daw.
Ma, ito may sabon.
Saglit lang. Tanggalan mo na ng alikabok.
Linis kotse para tipid. Ito eh.
Na.
So,
Ipapuro mo naman to.
Suja. We can save money from car wash. We clean it ourselves.
Car wash, guy. Wala kaming pambayad. Joke. Mayroon, pero gusto namin kami lang.
Yeah. And later we're going out to our friend's house to have barbecue for dinner. So we have to clean our car, right? We don't want to go out with our car dirty.
Dirty.
So we clean the car. Time check. Oh, I think it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we clean our car.
I think 1:40.
1:40 ba? Okay, we clean. We took it out of the garage, and so we can clean it here. Car's clean, shiny, clean.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you out. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature rising in for a kiss. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. My friends have told me I should move on, but I can't stop looking for clues.
Hi guys, happy Saturday, and we're here at Flávio and Silvana's house. We're gonna have barbecue. I have ice cream here, and other stuffs are in the car.
Brownies and
Meat. Brought ice cream, brownies,
and carne, and outside.
we brought sausages, spicy sausages, and
Carne.
beef. Silvana's here and she's making pasta. Hi, Sil. Let me show you. Pasta. Fresh
Ravioli,
pasta. Ravioli com
mussarela e manjericão. E macarrão também. Sobrou uma massinha, eu já passei para deixar.
encomendas também.
É do Carlos, só que
Ah, do Carlos. We're making caipirinha.
Blue Lagoon.
And this time I'm gonna make Blue Lagoon. So,
Blue Lagoon.
because I found this here, they have this. I said, I'm gonna make. Tingnan mo. Matutok mo rito.
Blue Lagoon daw. Oh! Naging Blue Lagoon. Oh.
Let's see if it's good.
Try mo nga. Sige, try na. Ako din.
Sarap. Kulang pa.
Dagdagan mo, bitin yung kulay. Yan. Try mo
What's
ulit.
that Blue Lagoon? Vodka? Lemonade? Yes, liquor. Here, Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon. Então, Blue Lagoon it is. Oh, ikaw daw tumikim.
Oh, ako, i-vlog mo ako. Para tikman ko. Ngayon guys, ako daw ang titikim, Blue Lagoon.
Oh, bakit? Sarap, diba?
Sarap.
Experimenta si. Blue Lagoon.
Muito bom.
It's good. It's very good.
Very good.
We made the what is maracujá? Passion fruit. We made passion fruit. Yes. Because we're making rice.
Brazilian rice guys. Matikas yung kanin nila, kailangan mong
Igisa.
igisa para lamasa.
Tapos may onion
Ayan. Asin.
and salt.
Para sa
Or garlic if you want.
Arabica rice. Gagawa tayo ng kabsa. Kabsa. Naku, ngayon pa yung tubig niya.
We have hummus and pita bread.
Como se fosse uma coisa assim.
Áspero.
De tanque, sabe? Aquele tru. O tanquinho, lembra? Tru. Não, aquela.
Making vinaigrette here. Silvana's making catupiry here. This is cheese, Brazilian cheese, and she mixed garlic, onion, pepper, I think a bit of salt, and she's gonna pour it on top of this.
Agora,
Agora,
com manteiga e azeite.
butter, olive oil, garlic.
Aí, agora,
And now, okay, so you
é
add
um pouquinho claro ainda pro meu gosto. Agora,
this here. More garlic.
more garlic. Shake.
And
Douradinho. Como que é douradinho?
golden.
Golden. Ah, ali, ó, na sua frente, do lado do potinho vermelho. Então, mas ela não tá coisando. Não tá virando?
Looks
Viu?
Yvonne is making very beautiful salad here with mango.
Oi.
Yvonne.
Não, aqui só tô...
Hi.
Aqui eu só tô mexendo agora.
Flávio is making the barbecue. Carlo, my mom, and Silvana. Table, sausages. Kain tayo, guys. This is just our entrees.
Dinner. Lunch at saka dinner sa kasama ng...
Yeah, we didn't have lunch. This is our lunch and dinner.
Only breakfast.
Yeah.
Kaya dinner at saka lunch yung kinain namin.
So, Yvonne made me great caipirinha, guys, with some mint. Thank you, Yvonne.
Should be called a grapeirinha.
Yvonne is there. What? Grape is it?
Grapeirinha, não?
Grapeirinha. Yvonne is there. Thank you, Yvonne. There you go. Just to update you guys, already had our dinner. Doon sa rep. We already had our dinner and now we're just chatting, gossiping, and drinking a little bit. I made some Blue Lagoon. So Blue Lagoon is a mixture of vodka, lemonade, and the Blue Curaçao liquor. Just that. And it was really good. They loved it. So whenever they want, they ask me to make. It's a success. I didn't plan to make the Blue Lagoon, but when I arrived here, there was nothing ready yet. And then I checked their collection of alcohol and I saw this one. So I said, I'm gonna make Blue Lagoon. And they love it. That's what's important. I had a few drinks, but I'm not drunk nor tipsy. I'm just normal. I'm a bit full, but not very full. So yeah, I'm okay, guys. We're gonna continue. Our time check is 7:35 in the evenings. Yeah, it's still early. And I can drink if I want because I'm not gonna be driving. My husband is the one driving. So yeah, we're fine. And
Busog-lusog na guys ulit.
ang dilim.
Tanghalian sa hapunan kasama na. Bukas na naman ulit. Wala nang kain-kain, bahala na.
Time for dessert. Oh, I told you, chocolate, né?
Mas eu fiquei assim, olha
Que pena. Esse é limão.
No, it's banoffee.
lembra que o Flávio estava fazendo um
So we have here banoffee,
E ela trabalha na área
brownie,
de
chocolate
facilities lá.
pie,
E eles estão mudando de prédio porque eles estão indo para uma área maior.
carrot cake, and the ice cream. There was no
É,
yogurt.
é.
Era zero, o apartamento era novinho.
Meu, a gente já viu tanta coisa, tanta coisa, tanta coisa. que
Nós
você fala
ficamos
assim,
3 anos vendo tanta coisa, tanta coisa, tanta
ai,
coisa.
Silvana do céu, mas é todo final
3
de
anos.
semana. Você fala assim,
Não
gente,
foi?
eu não sei mais o que é o esmalte aqui na unha,
E não tinha,
arrumar um cabelo.
não tinha tinta.
We're going home, guys, and I ordered 2 trays of lasagna from Silvana. Let me show you. So people in Brazil who wants to have fresh pasta, order here at Pasta Chuca. Pasta Chuca. Here's the WhatsApp. You can order, guys. Fresh pasta. Let's go home. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more. Mwah.